Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Big Mac Sloppy Joes. The ingredients that we're going to need today for our Big Mac sauce is going to be 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 4 tablespoons of sweet relish, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. We're also going to need hamburger buns, shredded lettuce, yellow American cheese, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 pound of ground beef, pickles, and also I have minced onion. Okay guys, I have some minced onion here. All I'm going to do is pour some into this little bowl, and we're going to add some water to it. Once you add the water, all you want to do is go ahead and mix it around and let it absorb all of it. So you can set that to the side. Now we're going to make our Big Mac sauce. I'm going to add my mayonnaise to the bowl. Also my ketchup. Garlic powder. Smoked paprika. Our vinegar. The relish. Our sugar. And also the mustard. And all we're going to do is mix it until it's well combined. Now you can set your sauce to the side. Now to a heated pan, we're going to add our pound of ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and break it apart. I'm going to go ahead and let it cook until it all has browned. Okay guys, while your ground beef is cooking, you can go ahead and add some salt to it. I'll leave that up to you how much you want to add, and some ground black pepper, just to taste. Once your ground beef is done cooking, turn off your heat. You want to remove it from the pan and drain it of any excess grease. Once you drained your ground beef, you want to go ahead and put it back into your pan. I'm going to add 2/3 cup of our Big Mac sauce to it. And also 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. You want to turn your heat back on to medium. And we're going to just mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, once you're done, you want to remove it from your pan and set it in a bowl to the side. Next, you want to turn on your oven and put it at 375 degrees, and you want to take 2 bottoms of your hamburger rolls and 1 top, and you want to place it into your oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, I wanted to show you the minced onion. See how it absorbed all the water. So these are now like the onions that you get at McDonald's. Okay guys, now we're going to assemble our Big Mac Sloppy Joe. Okay, now you have your bottom bun. We're going to get some sauce and we're going to spread it onto our bottom bun. Now we're going to grab some shredded lettuce. I'm going to place that on top of your sauce. Then we're going to take a slice of cheese and put that on top. Next, we're going to add our meat. Next, I'm going to add in some of our onion and just sprinkle that on top. Then we're going to add the bottom part of the bun again. To that, we're going to add our Big Mac sauce. Now you want to go in with some more shredded lettuce. Now this time I'm going to go on top with about 4 pickles. Now we're going to add our slice of cheese on top of the pickles. And we're going to go ahead and again with our meat. Now on top of our meat, I'm going to have to add a little bit more onion. Then we're going to go in with some more sauce on top. And then we're going to put the top of our bun on. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Big Mac Sloppy Joe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.